guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this experiment today in the eruption in a bottle. So whatever you need is some vinegar, some baking soda, some coloring, a measuring spoon, and a bottle, obviously. So first I think you put in the vinegar, so okay. Just put a little bit in. I'm a little clumsy, so I have to make sure all the vinegar goes in there. Uh-oh, it's already... I think I want to throw this because... there's some vinegar in this bottle and it's really destroying the eruption. So I'm gonna put all of it in. All of it in. Okay, I'm kind of scared because the vinegar is kind of dangerous. So I have all of it in there. Pretty much there's some right here. Just to be clear, this is baking soda. So this is not powder or any flour or anything. So you can add some coloring. I'm going to add some red coloring because I want to make it like a volcano or something. Just a little bit. Yeah, I think that's enough. Time for the best bit. The eruption. That is so cool. I'm gonna get some more vinegar. So I have some more vinegar right here. Oh, it's exploding. This is so cool, don't touch it. You actually need parent supervision for this, and we're just gonna add a little more. I'm gonna add just a little more. So actually, mostly the red coloring sank to the bottom. I'm gonna pour it out. You can see it looks a little weird, but you can actually reuse the same water. I mean, you can actually reuse. Okay, so it's getting really messy. I'm gonna go get a little more baking soda and a little more vinegar. I'm just going to add a little more baking soda. I think that's gonna work. You don't need to add that much vinegar. So I'm gonna go get the baking soda. So I have a little more vinegar right here. I'm gonna pour it in carefully. It's not exploding. I think you have to add the vinegar at the last part. I think you have to add the baking soda first, then the vinegar. I think that, yeah, that's definitely it. I think I'm gonna go get a little more baking soda. Nah, it's fine. Pour it in. This was so cool. If you want to try this at home, this is perfectly safe, but the baking soda and the vinegar are just a little bit dangerous. You need parent supervision. I'm going to tell you what else you need for this. You can use food coloring or any other paint. You need baking soda and vinegar. If you want, you can add a little bit of dish soap. The dish soap helps it to erupt even more. So thanks for watching. Try this at home and remember to subscribe and remember to subscribe and like. And see you next time.